Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix server joining issues on Discord. First, check the invite link. Make sure the invite link is valid and not expired. Then verify your account. Some servers require email or two-factor authentication before joining. For how to do that, I have made another video, so you can go and check those videos out. After that, check server permissions. Ensure that the server has not banned or restricted new members. Privacy tip: only join servers from trusted sources to avoid scams or malicious content. Quick fix: if you can't still join, log out and back in to refresh your account sessions. Try opening through the invite link in Safari instead of the app. Contact Discord support if access continues to fail. And that's it. Subscribe for more fast